first alert forecast.
We want to give you the first alert about next week's weather because that could impact your Thanksgiving plans. Right now, there is the chance for some rain as we get into early next week, but the better chance and the one that we've got our eye on is later next week. You can see over the next 7 days, we don't have a whole lot of rain chances coming, just Monday, like I mentioned earlier in the week, and then sometime in the time frame of Thanksgiving. Could be a little bit earlier. Right now, it's actually looking to be a little bit later. However, here's what our longer range weather models are showing. The American model at 5 a.m. on Thursday showing dry conditions. This would be super great. This would be ideal. The European model showing some messy conditions around 21 country. Like I mentioned earlier at the top of the show, we can't nail down exactly the track that the weather system is going to take, the time that it's going to arrive, or the type of precipitation that we see. Because if we have colder air in place, yeah, we might see some rain-snow mix as this weather system moves through. But if we're warmer or that weather system shifts to the south, we're going to end up completely dry. But it does look like in that time frame, Thanksgiving to December 1st, that we're going to see colder air in place. There's a high likelihood that we see colder than average conditions for the end of November and into December. What does that mean? That means high temperatures down in the mid, possibly low 30s as we end November. So right now, Thanksgiving is looking a little bit unsettled. We can't give a lot of details quite yet. Those details are going to come more into focus as we approach the day. But there could be the possibility of some rain, snow showers with temperatures on Thanksgiving Day topping out in the low 40s, possibly the upper 30s. Let's look a little bit now in the short term. Your weekend, First Alert Future Track is showing cloudy conditions, but we're going to be dry. As we get into Saturday afternoon into the evening, we might see some clearing of the clouds, but I expect us to remain mostly cloudy throughout the entire weekend with very minimal sun breaks. You can see Sunday afternoon, a few of those clouds breaking apart. So we might see a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon, but overall generally cloudy weekend in store, but at least it's going to be dry. And then like I mentioned earlier, we've got that chance for some hit and miss rain showers starting on Monday morning. You notice there's not a lot of dark green or reds or yellows on this map, so we're not expecting heavy rain, and there's a lot of dry areas as well, but it's just kind of going to be off and on throughout the entire day on Monday. So Monday's the day you definitely want to have the umbrellas with you. But if you need to get the holiday lights up this weekend, looks perfect. You don't have to worry about the rain. Temperatures will be okay, if not a little bit warmer than average for this time of year. Tomorrow morning, temperatures are only going to be in the low 40s and the upper 30s. Note that feels like temperature, though, in the upper to mid 30s. So tomorrow afternoon might feel a little bit chilly. Sunday morning will start cool, but then we're warming up into the low to mid 50s for those highs on Sunday. So Sunday actually looks to be a better day to get any outdoor activities done that you need to. And over the next 7 days, you can actually see the temperature trend that we've been talking about. Monday, a high of 55 degrees. And then cold air is just going to move right back in. We're at 41 on Tuesday, 42 Wednesday. Thanksgiving Day, right now we've got a high of 40 degrees. And Friday of next week, the possibility of some snow showers and a high of only 34 degrees. That would very likely be the coolest high temperature that we've experienced so far this season, Amr.
Pretty cold there, Caleb. Okay, thank you.